put her back on. I know, she's like, I want to sleep on the air bed. She just fell right off the bed. Are you going to pick her up? Put your baby back up there.
Was that a question? Do you want to answer it anyway?
She's just laying there. Put her back on there. Maybe she'll roll off again and I can video it. Night night, Naomi. She gonna sleep through it all. She ain't even gonna wake up. Look at her. She is heavy. She's really getting. Dang, just manhandle her. Is she talking to you? I know, she's heavy. She just slept through it all. Look at her. She didn't even wake up.